Hello students, how are you today? I hope you are well. So, let's start our today's lesson. The theme of the lesson is food for thought. In today's lesson, you will learn to express thoughts, ideas, and opinions on the topic, to listen and read for gist, to learn the phrasal verb break. First, let's warm up our tongues and brain reading a rhyme on the screen. Nuts are very healthy for you, useful for your body and brain. Throw fast food away for yourself. Start to eat smart food for your health. Well, students, I want you to answer my question. How food is related to our brain? Yes, you are right. Food affects how the brain works. We can improve our memory, mood, and the mental skills by eating healthy food. Thank you, students. Perfect. Before listening and reading a text, I would like you to learn some new topical words.
Amino acid, bean, cell, chemical, complicated, connection, copper, effect, fat, fatty acid, function, iron, maintain, memory, micronutrient, mineral, neuron.
Now, let's listen and read a text. While reading, try to find out some more main facts how food is related to our brain.
The brain is a complicated organ. It doesn't just need energy, but it needs lots of different chemicals, fats and minerals to keep everything working. A lot of these things only come from food, so if you're not eating the right things, it can have a bad effect on your brain. The brain works by sending electrical and chemical signals through special cells called neurons. The body needs amino acids to make these chemicals. These are found in high-protein foods such as meat, fish, eggs, and dairy products. Vegetarians and vegans can get amino acids from beans, soya, and seeds. The cells of the brain are made up of fatty acids. Brain cells start to break down if we don't replace these fatty acids. Omega-3 and omega-6 are the two essential fatty acids for the body. Omega-3 mainly comes from fish, like mackerel and sardines, while omega-6 comes from livers and dark green vegetables. Micronutrients such as zinc, iron, copper, and sodium protect the brain from diseases. They can be found in fruit, vegetables, and nuts. Overall, a diet rich in fruit, vegetables, seeds, nuts, and oily fish, and low in red meat and sugar, is the best way to maintain a healthy body, mind, and brain.
And now, let's do a task based on the text. On the screen, you can see 3 questions with 3 variants of answers. Your task is to choose correct answer A, B, or C. You have some time to do it. Well, let's check your answer. Have you got the same answer? Thank you, students. Good job. The next task is also given on the text. Mark if the statement's true or false. Number 1. The cells of brain are made of amino acids. Is it true or false? It is false. Number 2. Liver and dark green vegetables are rich in omega-6. Is it true or false? It is true. Number 3. The brain needs only energy to keep working. Is it true or false? It is false. And number 4. Vegans can get amino acids from beans, soya, and seeds. Is it true or false? It is true. Perfect. Thank you, students. Now it is time for some grammar. Today we'll learn phrasal verbs with break. But first, let's make clear what phrasal verbs are. Phrasal verbs are made up of a verb and a particle, such as an adverb or a preposition. The particle often changes the meaning of the verb. Number 2. Why do we use phrasal verbs? Because they are extremely common in informal English. And if you don't know their meanings, understanding informal language will be difficult. In addition, learning to use phrasal verbs correctly will help you sound natural in casual conversation. Well, phrasal verbs with break. Please look at the table. Number 1. Break down means to decompose or to lose control of feelings. Number 2. Break into means to enter by force. Number 3. Break out of means to escape from. Number 4. Break up means to stop for holidays. Please look at the pictures in order to understand the meaning of phrasal verbs better. Well, let's do a task to fix the grammar. Read the given sentences and complete them. Well, let's check up. Have you got the same answer? Perfect. I would like you to pay your attention to the word pen in the first sentence. The farmer's sheep broke out of the pen. In this sentence, the word pen means an enclosed area used to contain domesticated animals, especially sheep or cattle. Pen – мал қорасы, загон для скота. Tasks for self-study of the topic. Dear students, first, watch the video using the given link to get more information how the food you eat affects your brain. Then, write 5 or 6 sentences about your eating habit. Remember, if you eat well, you will live well and be well. Now, let's make a conclusion of today's lesson. Dear students, what have you learned today? Well, you can use the given structure to express your opinions. Thank you for your work. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Goodbye, students.